The fixed duty assist routine mainly uses one pump to control the liquid level. In this example, pump 1 will always start before pump 2. When the liquid level reaches the pump 1 on set point, pump 1 will turn on. If the liquid level continues to rise while pump 1 is running, pump 2 will start. Pump 2 will assist pump 1 to lower the liquid level. Both pumps will turn off when the liquid level reaches the off set point. This pump sequence is fixed. Pump 1 will always start first, then, if necessary, pump 2 will assist pump 1. In the alternate duty assist application, as the liquid level rises, it turns on pump 1, and if it continues to rise, pump 2 will assist. These pumps switch as the liquid level lowers to the offset point, and now it is pump 2 that is the primary pump, and pump 1 will assist if the level continues to go above. The pumps continue to rotate back and forth to ensure that the load is shared between them. The service ratio duty assist application uses a pump ratio to define which pump will turn on and which will assist. In this application, we have a 1-to-1 ratio, so both of the pumps will run for the same amount of time. If we were to use a 2-to-1 service ratio, pump 1 would run twice as long as pump 2 at any given time during a pumping cycle. This would be a good application example where we have one pump with a high capacity and one with a lower one, and we'd want to make sure that we use our larger capacity more than the smaller.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.